Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another weekly tip video. This week, we're going to look at a Mac utility called AirBuddy, which helps you quickly connect your AirPods to your Mac by giving you an iOS-style pop-up screen whenever you open your AirPods next to your Mac. If you use AirPods on multiple devices, you probably already know how frustrating it can be to get them to connect to your Mac after using them on your iOS device. This little utility, developed by 9to5Mac writer and developer Guilherme Rambo, aims to solve that problem by offering a clean and simple one-click interface to do just that. Downloading and installing AirBuddy is a little bit different than a lot of the applications and utilities that we cover here at ScreenCastsOnline. It's developed by a single person, and they've chosen to distribute it through Gumroad. So here's the URL to get to this page right here where you can purchase AirBuddy, and the actual purchase price of the application is left up to you, the consumer. You can choose how much you're willing to pay for the application, and as long as it's above the recommended fair price of $5, then the transaction will go through and you'll be able to download the application. So the first thing that you need to do is put in the price that you're willing to pay for the application, then click on the I want this button, and a pop-up window will appear to collect your payment details. Once you complete this information, you'll be able to download the application and install it into your applications folder. Now let's jump ahead a little bit and show you how the application actually works.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from ScreenCastsOnline. ScreenCastsOnline is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only ScreenCastsOnline Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital ScreenCastsOnline monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit ScreenCastsOnline.com today and become a ScreenCastsOnline member.